I know that you're gonna have it your way and nothing at all. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So here, it's a makeup look that I had no idea how I was gonna come up with this makeup look. I kind of just winged it on, like really kind of just prayed that I get there. Here are the finished results, so I hope you enjoy this look. I've been kind of like torn between palettes. Not really earthy today, kind of brownish. I know, smoky brown, I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and swing this. I think I'm gonna go with the Morphe palette just because I really didn't show the colors that I used in my last makeup tutorial. So I am using this Morphe 15N, this is the Night Master, I believe that's what it's called. Typically went with these more reddish, purplish colors. So I think I'm gonna use this side in this video here. I'm gonna just take a little of that veil, hourglass veil, kind of warm it up in the back of my eyes and kind of just like smooth this over my eyes. Now I'm going to take the NYX white eyeshadow base and put that on my lid. So I'm taking this color Custom in the Morphe palette and I'm going to apply that to the eye. I think I'm going to take this color Shook for transitioning color. Kind of like to, I don't contour my nose, so I kind of like to bring this color right here, connecting that to that. You will start to contour the nose. I kind of like to bring that color up in here. So I'm gonna take a blending brush. Hope you can see this, and I'm just gonna lightly blend the outer, the eyeshadow. I want to make sure I blend around that area. I think I'm gonna take Editorial and put that on the lid. I'm gonna put a black base on to kind of really smoke this out now that I got an idea of what type of video I want to do. But that's okay. Cool. I'm gonna take Scene. It's a really dark purple, and I'm gonna put that across the eye line here to kind of smoke this out. I know about that smoke light, not like smoking like, you know, smoke in the eye line. Never mind. Alright, so I'm gonna now wet that brush and get really close to the eye to kind of smoke that out. I don't know, just got a little turning nozzle and it has it labeled 1, 2, 3. I give a close up of this. I don't know, do you turn it to get as much, I don't know if it's a different spray when you spray it, but this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray, and it's cruelty free. Alright, so I'm going to use the Pitch Black by Ruby Kisses pencil, and I'm going to tightline my upper eye. Alright, so I'm going to leave the eyes and go to the face. So I'm using the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, and all you need is the So I'm just gonna color correct. I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so I set my face with a powder.
With a ghost.
I set my face with a ghost. Yeah, I don't know. I think this veil, but we're gonna keep moving on. We're just gonna see. Use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It's in my haul, so I'm hoping that because I tried the other two colors that was darker than this, and it was too red. So I'm hoping, especially with all this one, that this is my color, because it's really hard to see this in the store. Did 3 small pumps. And then I'm using my e.l.f. powder brush, like my best brush. Okay guys, this is what I have right now. So, I don't know how I feel about this color. I'm gonna keep going, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do another layer on this side to help cover my blemishes. So I'm just sort of one pump. But this time around, I'm going to use my sponge, my Real Technique sponge. I'm going to spray it, dab it, and kind of dab this areas. So I am experiencing some bad creasing around the mouth, and that don't happen. At least not this fast. Anyway, I'm going to use my infallible L'Oreal concealer for the highlight. Let's see how this works. I'm creasing. It's crazy. Sticks to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. This here. They stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way and nothing at all, but I think you're rude. I know him, man. Don't go chasing water. Oh no. Okay. Like I'm got mad creasing. I don't know what else to do. Keep patchworking stuff up. You just build a foundation, right? You don't have to worry about it. Alright, so I'm gonna take this Maybelline medium deep and set this. Pray for me. Okay. I'm like really nervous right now. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on now, and I don't even like to bake. I really don't like to bake. I'm gonna set my face with the Maybelline Dark and 40. Like, oh my gosh, I think people don't steal powder and then put it back on the shirt. When I film, I make sure I have napkins now. And I love going around this perimeter right here so you won't see this big sharp line of highlighter. And so I'm gonna change things up a bit just because this look almost looked like the last look I did. I'm gonna line my lower eye with this Wet n Wild pencil, and this is in a green color. This is the Don't Leave Me. I'm gonna have to use my Makeup Geek customized palette, and I'm going to use this pixie dust to kind of brighten this green up a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna take Chuck and I'm just gonna go around that green in a darker color so it can blend better. But before I do that, I'm gonna go in with Enchanted Forest, this green color by Makeup Geek for the outer corner. And what I'm trying to accomplish, I'm just trying to make sure that both of those greens blend in together with one another. When I do this, then too, I get another color right in the center. So, you know, that's the reason why I want to do this. Now I'm going to take Shook and go around that to kind of blend that in better. I'm also going to use Baba Boom, this color here, to pop a little red to kind of like bring it all together. I'm going to take that pitch black and just line just the outer corner of my lower eye. Feeling better about this look. Alright, tight brows. So I put on my lashes and my lower mascara and then my brows off camera, so just gonna do my highlight and my contour. Contour, I'm gonna use my Anastasia contour kit. Definitely getting creasing around the mouth. That sucks. On to highlighters. I think this Wet n Wild highlighter, and it's the crown of my canopy. So I'm gonna try this out. The lady at Walgreens said that it was a really good product, so I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild spray, lightly mist my brush, and we're gonna see how this goes. Woo! Yeah, that's something else right there. Alright, so I think you should be able to see that initial one swipe right there, so it's really pretty. It kind of reminds you of like a rose gold color. Another spray on this little brush so I can do my nose highlight. I put my inner quarter color, but I think when I pop some of this on top just because it's so pretty. Whatever's left on that brush, I'm just gonna lightly do some brow highlight. The blush, I'm using Milani's Bella Rose. I don't know, I'm gonna get away from these blushes, so I promise I'm gonna find something different. I just love their blushes. This would not stop creasing, so I'm gonna spray this kind of lightly. Because when it cracks, it looks dry, so if I kind of moisten this up a little bit, yeah, definitely help it not looking so dry. And that's how you solve that. Alright, since I have so much going on with the eyes, I'm going nude. These are my newfound loves, and these are the LA Girl High Shine Shea Butter Lip Glosses. What's so special about these really come on very pigmented. So I'm going to line my lips and then go from there. I don't know which one to use. I don't know, should I use this is the one in Snuggle, and this is the one in Fresh. I think I'm going to use the one in Fresh. I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Spray. So I'm going to really see how this holds up. Shake it. Definitely get around my smile line. Also, I use the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Knockout Mascara for my upper and lower eyelashes. Just want you to know that. And also, I use the Kiss So Wispy 07 lashes. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Man, like I really winged this off a prayer here. So it turned out really well. I think it did. In person looks really pretty, so I hope it displayed that on camera, guys. But if you like this tutorial, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I need for you all to subscribe and also hit that notification button. So you gotta hit the notification button so you are aware when I upload. Alright guys, next time, bye.